Today, she is not just carrying firewood. She is carrying hope. She was raised on this dirt road, and she has never been ashamed of where she comes from. But the city moves faster, and it judges quicker. To them, firewood does not look like success. But not every pair of eyes looks down. Some see the courage. She may arrive carrying wood, but she leaves carrying her dignity.
We have always known you would make us proud.